USDJPY price analysis. Look at this very area. Market has been choppy from this very point all the way upward. Although market has been making progressive move upward, but market is going to come back to the downside. I'm going to show you a reason why I believe so in this video, and also on Euro USD. Market has been coming back down as expected. See, from this very point, market move impulse, retrace, impulse. I'm expecting retracement to come from this very zone upward before continuation. I'm going to show you that in this very video as well, and also USDCAD. Markets have been moving upward. I told you that market is going to retrace, but that retracement will not be severe, and market is going to continue to the upside. Exact same thing we are seeing right now. All of this in this video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that forex content. If you look at this very point on the chart, market has been moving upward. This is USDJPY 1-day chart. Market moved all the way from here to this very point, and if you notice, this very area is very close to this very point of important resistance. This very point right here, market approached this area after a breakout of this very point of resistance as well. Market move a little bit upward, and right now we are seeing this very move on price action. What this means is, after a very long move to the upside, market have capacity of retracing right now. Remember, I am looking at retracement. Okay, so market is going to retrace from here to the downside, and then we're going to see continuation again to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to in the next week of trading. If you look at this very area, you discover that market did not really enter into the oversold condition at this very area on the stochastic RSI at this point, and it come out of it and move upward. And right now we are seeing a crossover which has not been completed yet at this very area, and it means that market is going to come back to the downside. Another thing for confirmation right here is the MACD indicator. If you look at the MACD indicator right here, you discover that there is a potential divergence coming to the chart right now, which is a great sign that market is going to come back to the downside. But this need confirmation. So if you draw from this very point right here to this very area, and then you draw same point on the price chart upward, discover that this is a bearish divergence coming to the market right now. And once we confirm this, and we have to confirm this once we see a breakout of this very trend line right here. So once this breaks out, then this is confirmed. Market is going to come back to the downside. That will give a guarantee that this market is going to come all the way to the downside. So expect a breakout to happen around this very point. Once that breakout happens, the market is going to continue from here all the way to the downside, and that is what you must have to pay attention to right now on your chart. So pay attention to this, guys, because market is going to come back down once we see that very breakout of this very level of important support. So this divergence is one of the things we need to pay attention to right now for us to be in the right direction of the market. And also, if you look at the MACD line and the signal line right here, they are about to cross over each other, which is a sign that market should have a good retracement before continuation to the upside. So wait for that breakout to happen at this very point of important level of support. This is very important for all of us that is trading Euro USD JPY right now, and if you want to trade it very pair next week, if you look at this very area right here, you discover that the market is coming back down on the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart right at this very point, market is coming back down. I'm expecting that this market come back to the downside as we open the market next week. That is what I am expecting. And before you start taking a short position on this very chart, ensure that there is a breakout right here. So market should break out of this very point of support. So a break of structure have to happen first. Once we see that break of structure at this very point, then market is going to come all the way to the downside. So before you take any short position, wait for the market to break structure, then retracement. At the end of retracement will be a nice time to take a short opportunity all the way to the downside on USD JPY. And this is what I am paying attention to right now. And if you look at the stochastic RSI, I discover that the market is approaching the oversold condition already right here. And as market begin to come back down, when we open the market on Monday, you discover that market is going to come back down as well, approaching this very level of important support for a structure breakout. And this is what we must pay attention to right now on this very chart. Euro USD 1-day chart. What you should be watching on this very chart is for retracement to happen within this very point where the market is right now of 1.0538 and this very price level of 1.0434. Okay, so within this very zone, I'm expecting retracement to come into the market before continuation back down. So if you look at the reality on this very chart, you discover that the market moved from this very point of important resistance. Right at this very point, we see resistance, market come back down for an impulsive move, breakout of structure, create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point, and we see retracement right here, which I talk about. Market continue the impulsive move to the downside. Retracement have to come in right now for this very formation on the chart right now. So what you should be paying attention to on this very price chart, Euro USD 1-day, is for the market to retrace within this very zone to the upside and then continuation back down, because market will still come back to the downside on Euro USD. USD CAD have been doing better compared to what we've been expecting in recent time. If you look at this very price action from this level of important resistance, market come back down a little bit. I was expecting that the market will come back down significantly to this very point before continuation, but market did not really come back that much to this very point where I was expecting retracement to pause before continuation. So market come back down a little bit and then continue this very move to the upside, which was very, very significant. What I am now looking at is for the market to continue this move to the upside, but we need to be very, very careful of a potential divergence, which is a bearish divergence that is coming on the chart right now, and I will show you that in a moment. But if you look at this very point, after this very breakout of resistance right here with this very candle, markets begin to move upward, and I am very, very sure that this market still have strength of moving all the way to the upside. And that is what you should be expecting as we resume the market on Monday, that is next week, because market have that very bullish momentum to still continue to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now. So on this very price action, if you look at what we are seeing on this very area, you discover that there is a dilation between the blue line and the orange line, which means market have capacity of moving all the way upward, approaching this very area of overbought condition. And also, if you look at this very MACD indicator, there is a potential divergence that will come into the chart around this very area. And when that divergence comes, I'm going to show you and the reason why market is going to drop back down. But for now, still expect the market to move upward. Nevertheless, you need to pay attention to a potential divergence coming into this very chart around this very area on the MACD indicator, and that divergence will cause the market to retrace significantly. Okay, bigger retracement other than the one we see right at this very point. So expect the market to move upward on the immediate short term, and the market is going to retrace significantly very, very soon as a result of a potential bearish divergence that is coming on the chart already on USD CAD. So this is what you must have to pay attention to if you are a USD CAD trader. Market is going to go upward, and if you are a Euro USD trader, market is going to retrace from this very point upward before continuation. And for USD JPY traders, market is going to come back to the downside, especially after a breakout of this very level of important support. This is what you have to keep your eye on right now on this various chart. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. You can join our Telegram group with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.